is that big dog? Hey, what's up, Dino? Pixie, that'll do. What's up, Dino? You guys can go see him. Pixie, quiet. Good girl. Who is that, huh? Oh, everybody was brave until I pulled the camera out. Thanks a lot, pups. Go see him. Go say hi, Dino. Hey, what's up, Dino? Where'd the rest of you chicken littles go? Say, but we were just there until you pulled out the camera. Oh, aren't we just weenies? What you find in there, Pixie? Oh, great. Eat some compost. That's lovely. Oh, that's Thor. Freaky. Freaklet, what are you doing? I know. Good girl. Say, oh, big Dino. Let's go see Dino. Come on. Hi, Dino. Hi, buddy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, no. Such a good Dino pup. Oh, great. Now we found the compost pile. Crap. I guess you guys are going to need the baths anyway. Okay. Oh, I got you the sandbox to dig in. It's not as much fun as the compost pile. Potentially learn. It's great. You tell him, Dino, say, don't do dirty dumb things. That is Thor. He's talking to you, huh?